lighthouse on the shore of the sea is a happy, happy place called Mr. Malcolm's Music Factory. I'm Mr. Malcolm and I'll show you around. We'll play all kinds of instruments, make beautiful sounds.
I'm Lord Blumbroomstick. I keep things in line.